Me now come for preach party name. Me come for reason with common sense. How long we a go vote pain? Expect peace. If nothing not change. Maybe we have to change. Maybe we have to try something new. The roads full of pothole yet full of tax. System take from poor and give rich back. Ghetto youth bright but can't find class. While the MP sit back and laugh. No land for till but church full every Sunday. No water in a pipe but them a build runway. Crime out of hand, corruption deep. Still we vote for the same and expect relief. Try something new. If the old way not work then why you still glue? Try something new. We can't fix fire with fire, it burn through. Try something new. Change start with truth, not just who. Try something new. Jamaica, my people, my calling to you. Them promise job but me can't find work. Promise security, me only get murk. Promise better schools but my daughter still learn. And a zinc roof will leak when sun burn. Every election my granny said pray, but prayer without wisdom is stray. So me read, me watch, me listen clear. Jamaica need leadership, not just cheer. We try red, we try green, we try gold chain and pretty dream. But we still poor, still mean, still scream from system we can't clean. Out more Volta, think like soldier, country need order. Not just slogan or poster. Policy, vision, real execution. Not talk, show or illusion. Whoa. Try something new. Me nah tell you if you vote, me tell you if you view. Try something new. If it no build Jamaica, it can't be true. Try something new. Stop the cycle, break through. Try something new. You have power, use it for your crew. What if we vote for accountability? What if we stand up for liberty? What if we ask for transparency and get back the keys to the economy? What if we start care about school, health, land and stop about woman with mic in a hand? What if we stop vote party and vote for plan? Try something new. Me nah sell dream, me sell breakthrough. Try something new. Jamaica work more than politics do. Try something new. Read, research, find the view. Try something new. Your future depend on what you do. Them a laugh when you no vote smart. Them win and tear Jamaica apart. But jog your mind, not just art. Use it, try something